Hi there, welcome to class. Welcome. I'm Miss Faust. Please make sure, yes, you've got it, that you have paper out and a pen or pencil. Yes, today we're going to deal with a nursery rhyme. Yes, another one. There's so many of them and they're so fun to work with. This one is called Hickory Dickory Dock. And guess what, folks? It focuses on the clock, on time, our watch. Yes, this is perfect. It's a great review day. Yes, reading the time, reading the clock. Yes, what time is it, Miss Faust? No, it's 2 o'clock. No, it's not. It's 2:05. Yes. Isn't that amazing? Nursery rhymes that deal with the time. It's wonderful. So again, today is nursery rhyme day. Hickory Dickory Dock. Wonderful. Make sure you write this down. Now notice down here, take notes. Please make sure you take notes. This nursery rhyme is not a short one, but it's a fun one. And I like you to take notes on it. Take notes on what happens in each little stanza. Now when I talk about stanzas, I mean like little paragraphs. We call them stanza in poetry. Okay. In regular, it would be called poetic paragraphs because they're sort of poetic, so much like poetry. So this one is, well, it's 12 stanzas long. Oh wow, but really short. So with each stanza, try to take a note or two. Okay, just get some ideas down. All right, so one more time. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse went up the clock. Yes, you never know. You might find some rhyme. Okay, let's do this. I'm all set. Well, how am I going to do this today? I'm going to read the rhyme to you. First time around. Okay? And then the second time around, I'm going to do the clock. But pay attention. Take notes. What is this rhyme all about? Is it just about the clock? I don't know. Could be. Here we go. Hickory Dickory Dock. Look, little mouse. See, this is what I was talking about. We don't need to worry about copies. Okay? These are 12 stanzas. Poetic paragraphs. Okay? So let me start reading to you. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. Here's your mouse running up the clock. Okay. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Number 2. Hickory Dickory Dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory Dickory Dock. Next. Hickory Dickory Dock. The dog barked ruff, 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 at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddle-de-dee. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The bear slept by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. I'm about to do a tap dance or a little movement. It's like a little dance. The bee buzzed bzz, 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 around the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. In other words, where all the other bees are and, the yummy food. Okay. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. Time to move. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Here's my 6. Oh, fiddlesticks. Hickory Dickory Dock. Next, Hickory Dickory Dock. The cat ran round the clock. The clock struck 7. She wanted to get 'em. Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock. The horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck 8. Just for that. You ate some cake. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The cow danced on the clock. The clock struck 9. Okay, 10 fingers minus 1. She felt so fine. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The pig oinked at the clock. Oink, 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 oink. The clock struck 10. All my fingers. She did it again. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The duck quacked at the clock. Quack, 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 quack. The clock struck 11. 10 and... The duck said, "Oh heavens!" Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon. 10 plus 2. He's here too soon. Hickory dickory dock. Sorry about that. Everyone got it? A little bit of rhyme, huh? Yes. Noon, soon. Okay. So, yes, there's rhyming. Nice, isn't it? It's the time. All 12 hours. Okay. So when we talk about this nursery rhyme, we're talking about various animals, aren't we? We're talking about, make sure, did you jot them down? Did you get them down? Like mouse, bird, dog, bear, bee, hen, cat, horse, cow, pig, duck, and mouse. Notice, mouse starts and mouse ends. Okay? So you have all these different animals, and they all are doing something with the clock, aren't they? So yes, when you're talking about this nursery rhyme, you're talking about basically animals that are having fun with time. Okay? The bee is buzzing around the clock, bzz, 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 and it's 5 o'clock. Okay? The horse jumps over, and it's 8 o'clock. Okay? So let's review really quick here. Let me get one of my boards. I'm so sorry. Okay. When we talk about, again, the time, for instance, 1 o'clock, and we're writing it, okay? I'm so sorry. I have like a frog, when you get stuck there. 1 o'clock. If you're talking about noon, remember the use of the colon with the time. The colon, 2 points, 2 periods. Yeah. 12 o'clock. Okay? So that's what we mean when you're talking about time. And let's see here. The clock struck 11. Okay, so when we talk about the various animals, we have a horse, don't we? We have a bee, a mouse, okay, a cat. What else we got? Piggy. Okay, let's make sure we get them all. The hen. We're talking about the hen. We're talking about, whoopsies. We're talking about a bird. Right? We're talking about quack, 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 quack. Duck. All right? We had a dog because he's barking. Let me make sure I've got them all. 3, 6. I'm missing somebody. Who is oh! My gosh. How can we forget the sleeping bear? Okay, so I think we've got them all. 3, 6, 9, 10. No, we don't have them all. Miss Faust, you're missing somebody. Who am I missing? Bear, bee, hen. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I think I've got everybody. Yeah, we got. Oh wait, no, hold on. Oh my gosh, Miss Faust, you forgot the cow. Here we go. So those are all the animals that are part of this wonderful nursery rhyme, right? And that's how you do the time, right there. O'clock, or noon, or 1. You write it like that, like right there. But those are the animals, okay? Make sure you got that down. So basically, that's what this nursery rhyme's about. It's connecting, putting animals and time together, and helping people to figure out the clock. What's 1 o'clock? What's 2 o'clock? What's 3 o'clock? Okay, so let's practice that. Okay. So, with our very first one, we're talking about, sorry, I'm trying to see, the mouse and 1 o'clock. So that's 1 o'clock, isn't it? The shorthand is on the time itself, namely 1. The longhand is on the o'clock. Okay? So that's the 12. So when we talk about bird, look, the clock struck 2, namely the birdie, okay, is doing 2 o'clock. He's at 2 o'clock. So then you go around the time. Sorry, this clock is not exactly speedy, not fast. So 2 o'clock, remember the short handle is on the time, in other words 2. And then the clock part, or just 2, is on that. So here's your 2 o'clock. Okay, so what about, let's see, who's doing, okay, the piggy is the one that oinked, oink, 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 and it struck 10, it turned 10, so keep in mind the word struck means turned, okay, it turned 10, it's not boom, when you strike something or someone, it's like a hitting, no, this way it means it turned, okay. So let me see if there's anything else we might have problems with. I think buzz just being, how bees go, bzz, 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 and you're going, oh, wait a minute, that's a bee. Okay. So struck means turned. Okay, I think that's pecked. When you peck at something, peck, peck, peck. Okay, okay. So like try to bite, really tiny bite. Okay. You know what oink is? Oink, 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 oink. Okay, quacked. We all know that. Quack, 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 quack. Okay. So that I think that will cover that. We know what bark is. Woof. Okay. So if we had, it says, for the mouse at the end, not just 1 o'clock, the clock struck noon after the mouse runs up the clock, because it's running up the clock. So it struck noon. It turned noon. So what is noon? I'm thinking maybe I should take the easy way around. Okay. Hold on. Let's go. Okay. Probably going, can you go faster, Miss Faust? No, I'm sorry, I can't. This clock, hold on. Let me make sure I don't go the wrong way. It's going to take a while. Or maybe, yeah, I think we should have done 10. Let's do 10 first. I'm so sorry. You probably go, oh my gosh, Miss Faust. Yeah. We're getting there. Now remember, with 10 o'clock, where is your short handle? It's on the 10, exactly. Oh my goodness. Hold on. We'll get there. I think we'll forget about the noon one. Getting it to 10 o'clock is, is right. Good practice, isn't it? Working with clocks. We're getting there. I'm almost there. Here we go. Woo! Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh, I got it. 10, short handle, the long handle on the 12th. Now, if you wanted to do it noon, where's your short handle? It's where? Where's the short handle? What is noon? You can think of lunchtime. A lot of people like to stop then and to eat. What's noon? It's 12 o'clock. You got it. Good job. Getting there, getting there, getting there, getting there. One. We're almost there. Here we go. Woo! Getting all excited. Here we go. Woo! Noon. It's on the 12th and a long handle on the 12th. Okay, does that make sense? All right. So that's what that's all about. It's all about recognizing the clock, the time. So then now, if you could do it with the clock, read noon, you could look at your own watch and go, oh yeah, short handle is on the 12th, long is on the 12th, lunchtime, off we go. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I like this nursery rhyme. Do you too? Great. So let's see. Here's the assignment. Okay. What I'd like you to do is, for yourselves, I want you to Google Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay? And I want you to read it. I know you were listening to me and everything. You took notes. That's great. That's a good start. But I want it in front of you for the assignment. This is part of the assignment. So look up Hickory Dickory Dock. Just look up, just put it in. Type, Hickory Dickory Dock. And you'll be able to pull it up. It'll be about like a page, almost a page. Okay? And read it, please. Read through it. Then I want you to choose one of the 12 stanzas. Okay? Again, choose one of these. Any one of these. Any one of these, just one. And draw a picture of the clock with the correct time used in the stanza. So if the time says, let's do the one I have. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. That's the one I chose. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5th stanza. Okay? Please do it on blank white paper, in pencil, no color. You don't need color. I just happen to do this so it's not all black. You don't have to do it in color. You can do it in pencil. And I wrote down bee because it's about a bee. And the time is, write down the time. So give me the animal. Give me the stanza, ST, short for stanza, period, and then the stanza. So stanza 5, it's about a bee, 5 o'clock. So I know that you can write it this way too. And then draw the picture. Here we go. Short handle on the 5, long handle on the 12. 5 o'clock. This is what you're going to do. So Google Hickory Dickory Dock. Read it. And then choose one of the stanzas. And give me this. Let me know what stanza, what animal, write the time, and then give me the clock that goes with the time. Any questions? Let me know. One more thing. Today's question, we haven't forgotten that. What is something you want to learn how to do? You want to learn how to fix a car. Okay, you want to learn how to buy a house. You want to learn how to apply to your favorite college. What is something you want to learn how to do? That is your question for today. So do not forget the assignment. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. Okay. So, this ends today's nursery rhyme. Okay. And yes, the assignment is due today. I'm looking forward to it. Make some beautiful clocks. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just as long as I can tell with your clock. Again. Okay, nothing fancy. Here's your 6, here's your 3, here's your 9, here's your 12. 1, 2, and here's 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. 10, 11. Okay. All right. If you have questions, please email me. I'll be only too happy to help you. Yes, indeed. Okay. So I wish you a fantastic day. A fantastic day. Till next time. Bye-bye.